Samsung Galaxy A9 Star G8850 shows up in a quick hands-on video. Rumors of two Samsung got conflated, the G8850 with dual cameras and what eventually became the Galaxy S Lite luxury as known as S8 Lite. G8850 rumors have been revitalized with the short hands-on video and its purported name is Galaxy A9 Star. Note that the S Lite luxury was rumored as the A8 Star at one point. Anyway, according to Tina, the phone packs a 6.28 AMOLED screen with 1080x2220 pixel resolution. Note that Tina updated the specs since they were eventually published. It comes with a large 3700 mAh battery and will have slightly different dimension than the Galaxy S9 Plus, thinner but taller and wider. The camera, which is in the corner, an unusual design for Samsung, is a dual shooter with 24 megapixel plus 16 megapixel sensors. The selfie camera has a 24 megapixel sensor. The Galaxy A9 Star G8850 runs Android 8.0 and a 4GB of RAM plus 64GB of storage and a micro SD slot. The Galaxy S Lite luxury was essentially a Galaxy S8 with a weaker chipset and a lower resolution screen. Will this phone be the light luxury version of the Galaxy S9 Plus? So guys, what do you think about this? Share your thoughts and views in the comment section below. And yeah, peace.